Hello and welcome. My name is Abuga. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to join the Oraimo affiliate program. An affiliate program is basically a sales program where you promote products of a given company, mostly online in this case. And when a customer buys the product, you'll earn a commission, which is mostly a percentage of the total value of that product. So to get right into it, in this video, these are the things I want to cover. I'll show you how to sign up for the Oraimo affiliate program if you're in Kenya, how you can access your affiliate links and affiliate codes, more on that later, and how you can share those links, how you can promote those links so that you can earn something, and the promo codes, of course, which are the best ways of promoting. And then I'll show you examples of how I do it on my own platforms. I usually promote through social media, which is YouTube for my case, but you can do it anywhere: Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, it doesn't matter, as long as you get somebody to buy through your link. And then I'll show you how to track your sales and how you can get your money once you reach the minimum threshold to withdraw the money, which is in this case is 3,000 shillings. More on that later in the video. So before we get started, I'll put a disclaimer here. Please, if you are accepted into the Oraimo affiliate program, avoid buying products for yourself using your own links. That's basically fraud, and you won't be paid if you do that. So the first thing we do, you'll go to Oraimo. If you don't have I'll assume you don't have an Oraimo account, but if you have an Oraimo account, it will still work if you already have one, but I'll assume you don't have one. So you'll just go to oraimo.com, then you can click on this, go to register. You'll go to register, so you can fill in your details here. You can use your email. You'll receive a code in your email. You confirm, you create a password, confirm it, then just tap on create account and your account should be ready. Once you have your account ready, I leave a link in the description which you can follow. Then you can be led to this affiliate page. Just make sure you use that link, follow it, and it will lead you to this affiliate page. So here you'll fill a few details. So if you have a social media page, you can just leave the link to that social media page there. It will increase your chances of being accepted, especially if you have many followers. But it doesn't matter what amount of followers you have, as long as you have just a decent following, even a personal account. You don't have to be an influencer. Then here you'll put in your login email. I recommend you use the one used to create your Oraimo account. Then you can put your phone number where you can be contacted, and then you can take a screenshot or a picture of your social media page on another device. So you just take a screenshot and you upload it here, and then you'll tap on join now for free. Once you do that, you'll see it will notify you that you'll have to wait for a few days for approval. It usually takes anything between a few hours to a couple of days, and somebody will contact you. Or if in case you don't get contacted, keep checking this page. Go to that link and check this page. Maybe you'll see your affiliate account is ready. So once your account is accepted, and maybe you have been informed that you are an Oraimo affiliate officially, you can just log into your account. Here I log in. I already have an account, and I'll show you everything, how the sales are making and how I do it. So I'll just log in, then we can continue with the rest of the instructions. So I'm logged in. To access your affiliate dashboard, you'll go to this icon, this profile icon. Then you'll scroll down to, you'll see this field will appear, this affiliate section will appear once you have been approved for an account. This is also an indicator. In case you haven't been contacted, you can always check for that. If it's there, your account has been accepted. So I'll go to my account. So here, this is the amount of commission I'm earning. Of course, you'll start with 5%. If you do well over time, over the coming months, maybe they can bump it out for you to 7, 8, or sometimes up to 10%. I hope I get there one day. So you can see this is the balance I have in my account. That's 3,000 shillings. That's the money I've been making the past few weeks. And then here you'll see the coupon code. This is the most important part of this, the coupon code and the affiliate link. So what you basically do, you'll take this affiliate link, you can just share it. This will just take somebody to the general page where they can browse the products and maybe buy whatever they want. And then, but the best way of promoting is using this coupon code. For example, this one, it's my name. Yours will be some random letters. It won't be the same as mine. This is just mine for my own account. So when somebody buys a product, make sure you tell them to use that code when they're checking out on the Oraimo shop. Once they check out using your code, it will automatically give them a 5% discount. It will also give you a 5% commission of whatever they'll pay at the end of it all. Oraimo does cash on delivery, so you'll have to wait until the product has been delivered to the customer, and once they pay, the money will be credited to your account automatically. I'll show you how to track that and how to know whether a customer has bought a product and whether they have received it. And also, in case they return it, you won't receive the commission, but it will notify you that the person returned the item before they paid. Now I'll show you how to share these links. Of course, you can come here and tap copy. If you want to share that code, you can share that. If you want to share the affiliate link, you can just copy that and share it with whoever you want. If it's on your website, YouTube channel, Twitter, WhatsApp, SMS, the link should work. The easiest way to ensure somebody you get credited for a sale, make sure you use the coupon code. That's the best way and the easiest way. For the affiliate link, it's a bit tricky because if you want to share a link to a specific product, maybe for example, let's say you want to promote or you want somebody to buy maybe this power bank. You'll have to copy this link, paste it to them, paste that link. Before sharing it, you'll have to come back here. Sorry. So I'll go to my account. Then I'll copy this last part of this link. I hope you get this. Just look for the question mark. Yeah. So you copy that and you add it to the link you are sharing. And that's how you can share this affiliate link can work for a specific product. Of course, the whole link will work, but you'll have to copy it. It will take the person to the Oraimo homepage. Yeah, so that's why I recommend you use the coupon code instead, or the discount code. So to show you exactly how that works, I'll show you what the customer should see so they can understand exactly how to go about it. So I'll try to buy something here. So let's say I go here. Let me just pick one product. For example, let me pick this. Yeah, so the customer will come here. Maybe they want these earbuds. They can go to buy it now. Buy it now. You can see all these details. So here at the discount section, here's where they'll put your discount code. For example, let me maybe use a discount code of somebody that I know. This, then I'll click apply. Of course, I'm not buying, so you can see I'm the customer. I'm not the affiliate. I'm the customer now. I'll get this discount. See, but the moment, so I'll get that discount. You saw the earphones were 9,500 shillings, but now as a customer, I'll get it cheaper. But still, after the customer places this order and receives it and pays for it, you'll get 5% of this 9,000 shillings, which will be almost around the 400 and something shillings, I guess. Yeah, which you'll get that as the discount. So your customer and you, both of you will benefit. The customer will get a discount and you'll also get a commission. That's how it works, as simple as that. And if you use the link automatically, it will show this discount if the customer came through your affiliate link. But coupon code is the easiest way. So since I'm not buying, I'll just cancel this order. I'll just cancel the order, then we can continue the rest of the instructions. So now you've been promoting, you've been making sales, you've been sharing your code, and people have been buying using your code. Where do you know exactly how many sales you're making? So you'll just go here, you'll just go to the profile icon above there, then you come to the affiliate section, then you'll go to the order section. So here you'll see all the orders that customers have made. For my case, you can see I have 2 pending orders. So somebody bought items worth this pair of earphones. These are the Oraimo Spacebud Z. So somebody has ordered that, and they're going to pay 2,915 shillings. And the income I'm going to get out of this is 233 shillings. See, and here down here there's a smartwatch. There's a smartwatch here. That's 2,000 shillings, and I'm going to get 8% of that. For my case, it's 8%. For you, if you're just starting, it should be around 5%. I don't know if they've changed that, but you can confirm. So here I'll get 167 out of this. This is what the customer is going to pay once they receive the item. Yeah, so here you can see my other sales which I've been making. You can see here they're written received. These are successful sales. Then I'll show you later, I'll show you where the income is and how to withdraw. So just stay put for that. So you can see all this. I've been making this over the past few months. This. So you get the idea. You get the idea. There's so many. There are hundreds, I think, so far. So there's one thing you need to check out for: how to track where the order is. So for example, if a customer receives an order, it should write received. And then in case of anything, if maybe they cancel their order for whatever reason, let me just focus. It will show you that the order has been cancelled, so you won't be getting this money. Yeah, there's that. And there's also, so an order like this one, these are new orders. This one is written already delivery. It means the person has made an order and Oraimo has sent the items. They're on their way to wherever that person is. And whenever, as soon as that person pays, it will read received and the money will be credited to your account. So to track the exact income, the exact amount of money you're making, you'll come back to this affiliate section. Then you can see income details. So this here, you'll see all the transactions. So for example, if somebody pays for an item, you'll see you have received, this is income, all that. And if withdraw, so it will write expenditure there. But the most important part of this is where the money is and where you can withdraw the money. So you'll just go to this part. You'll go to here, withdraw. So here there's a summary of of the money you have. So I'll start from the far right. Here the minimum payout, this is what you're supposed to get, the minimum amount you need to have in account so that you can withdraw. Available is the amount of money which is available for withdrawal, and balance will show you the total, including the reason you see here it is 15,000, yet available is 3,000. This is including the money that I've withdrawn and I haven't received. So for example, here you'll see there are these two transactions, the written weight payment. These are being processed, and once they are done, once they pay me, it will write completed. You see, it will write completed. So it's that easy. So you'll just come here to withdraw. You'll fill in your details. So here you'll write the amount. For example, if I want to withdraw the 3,000 shillings that I have in my available balance, then I'll come here to the bank. You'll choose the bank that you use from this. These are the available banks. We have Equity, Standard Chartered, Cooperative Bank, Family Bank, ABSA, Kenya Commercial Bank, and NCBA. So you can choose whichever you use. So for example, if mine was Standard Chartered, I'll choose that. I'll write my account number. Let me just use random digits. So for example, if that's my account number, then I'll write my name, the name on that account, which should be my name. So I'll just write, for example, so then I'll click submit. Once I do that, it will write pending, and once the Oraimo people see it and they start processing it, it will write weight payment, and once they pay you, it will write completed. So you can see these are the monies have been withdrawing over the past few months. So you just do that, and you'll receive it in your account, and you can spend it however you want. So, and then once you have withdrawn the money, you have to wait for it to reach at least 3,000 shillings. Then you can withdraw. Once you withdraw your money, it will take about, you'll be paid once a month. So make sure you withdraw before the 10th of each month. Then hopefully by the end of the month, you'll be paid. It doesn't matter the amount as long as it's over 3,000, which is the payment minimum, and you withdrew before the 10th day of the month. To finish off, I'll show an example of how I promote my products. So this is my YouTube channel, but remember, you don't need to have a YouTube channel. You can promote your links anywhere: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I don't think that should work. You can promote anywhere, and if it's on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, where you can share links, you make sure you tell your viewers to use your discount code, or maybe just paste it within somewhere on the video. So I'll show you. So here, this is a video which I did a while back, a few days ago. So I was reviewing the Oraimo Spacebird Z. In the description, you'll see I put a link to the Oraimo website. Of course, I've clocked it, maybe customize it for my own, but you don't have to do that. You can just paste it directly from the Oraimo website, and I've clearly stated that there's a discount code which somebody can use. So once somebody goes to the website and they use that code, I'll earn a small commission out of that. So for example, let me show you. You can if I click this, I'm assuming I was a viewer. So it has taken me to the Oraimo website. So you can see the item is 3,500 shillings. So I'm assuming I'm the customer, I'm the viewer who saw the video, or a person who received a link to buy the product. So I'll just go here, buy now, then do everything that I showed you before, put a discount code, and that's how you'll earn from this person who has followed the link and used your discount code. So it's as simple as that. It doesn't matter the platform, just use it anywhere. You can also just share it with your friends and family, and you can earn something small out of it. The money I earn from this, it's usually enough to buy me food every month, so it's not a bad program. So make sure you take advantage of it. It's a legit way of earning money without doing anything shady. So that's just about it with the Oraimo affiliate program. So in case you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. So thanks for watching. Please follow me if you want to get more of such videos. and see you in the next one.